Well, I went to start the lawnmower this spring and it never fails. She's dead. Turn the key over and she doesn't want to do much. See what the Foxpeed jump pack can do. Put the old jumper cables on here. Push the button to turn it on. You get a reading here. It's not fully charged. That's the readout on this. Go ahead, let's turn her over. If you don't have a jump pack like the Foxpeed G29, check out the link below on Amazon. That's where you can pick one of these up. There's many other brands, but this one has worked really well for me, and you can see how quick it turns over just a little engine like that. Don't be caught with your pants down. Pick one up.